What if I told you the secret to younger looking skin after 50 isn't in an expensive cream or a collagen supplement, it's already sitting right there in your kitchen. Most women over 50 don't realize their skin is losing collagen 3 times faster than it was at 30. And the beauty industry profits from that fear. But here's what they don't want you to know: the most powerful collagen rebuilding ingredients in the world are foods. Real foods. Kitchen foods. Foods you probably already have. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete list of collagen-boosting foods that can visibly tighten, firm, and brighten your skin, starting this week. Let's quickly talk about why this matters so much after 50. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, plump, and elastic. Think of it like the scaffolding underneath your skin. When you're young, your body makes plenty of it. But after age 25, you lose about 1% of your collagen every single year. By the time you're 50, you've already lost up to 25% of your skin's structural support. That's why lines deepen, skin sags, and your face looks more tired than you actually feel. Now, collagen supplements are popular. But research shows that what you eat has a far bigger impact on collagen production than what you swallow in a pill. Why? Because collagen is built from nutrients found in food, specifically vitamin C, amino acids, copper, and zinc. Without these building blocks, your body simply cannot make new collagen, no matter how many supplements you take. So let's go through the 7 most powerful collagen-boosting foods you can start eating today, all of them from your kitchen. Food number 1: citrus fruits. Lemons, oranges, and grapefruits. The number 1 trigger for collagen production is vitamin C, and your best kitchen source? Citrus. Here's the science: vitamin C is absolutely essential for converting the amino acids proline and lysine into actual collagen fibers. Without it, that process simply doesn't happen. 1 medium lemon gives you 31 milligrams of vitamin C, but more importantly, the flavonoids in citrus protect the collagen you already have from breaking down. The simplest habit: start every single morning with warm lemon water. This one change alone can make a visible difference in skin firmness within 4 to 6 weeks. Add orange slices to your salads, or squeeze grapefruit over your breakfast bowl. Simple. Free. Effective. Food number 2, and this one surprises most people: eggs. Egg whites contain proline, one of the main amino acids your body uses to build collagen. But the egg yolk contains sulfur compounds that help your liver clear the hormones that accelerate collagen breakdown. So eating the whole egg, not just the white, is the real anti-aging move. For women over 50, 2 eggs per day is ideal. Boiled, poached, or scrambled. Just avoid frying in processed oils that creates inflammation that actually damages collagen faster than aging does. Food number 3, garlic. One of the most underestimated beauty foods in your kitchen. Garlic is rich in sulfur, a mineral your body uses to both produce and protect collagen. Sulfur also slows down the enzymes that break collagen apart, which means garlic literally preserves the collagen you still have. In traditional medicine, garlic has been used for skin health for thousands of years. And modern research backs it up. 1 to 2 cloves per day is enough. Crush it raw into soups, stir it into dressings, or add it to your evening stir-fry. Food number 4, bone broth. If there's one food that directly provides collagen to your body, this is it. Unlike other foods that give your body the building blocks to make collagen, bone broth contains actual collagen peptides, small protein chains your gut absorbs directly into your bloodstream. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that women over 50 who consumed collagen peptides from bone broth showed improved skin elasticity and hydration in just 8 weeks. To make it at home, simmer chicken or beef bones with water and a splash of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar draws the collagen out of the bones. 1 cup per day, morning or before bed. That's it. Food number 5, bell peppers. Especially red and yellow ones. And this one shocks people every time. A single red bell pepper contains over 150 milligrams of vitamin C, that's more than double your daily requirement, and more than twice what you get from an orange. But bell peppers also contain capsicum, which improves blood circulation to your skin, helping deliver nutrients exactly where collagen is being built. Slice them raw as a snack, toss them into salads, or add them to any stir-fry. They're cheap, they're colorful, and they are seriously underrated for anti-aging. Food number 6 is turmeric. We've talked about this before on the Ageless Kitchen, because it keeps showing up in the science. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown in multiple studies to both stimulate collagen production and reduce the inflammation that destroys it. A 2021 study found that women who consumed curcumin daily for 12 weeks showed significant improvement in skin firmness and elasticity. Half a teaspoon in warm milk, soup, or tea every day. And this is critical, always add a pinch of black pepper. Food number 7, avocado. Last on our list, but arguably the most complete skin food you can eat. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that keep your skin membrane strong and flexible. This is what gives you that soft, supple texture. They also contain vitamin E, which prevents collagen oxidation, and vitamin C for collagen synthesis. But here's what most people miss. Avocados contain glutathione, one of the body's most powerful antioxidants. Glutathione doesn't just protect your collagen, it actively reverses some of the oxidative damage that ages your skin from the inside out. Half an avocado per day is enough. Now that you have the 7 foods, let me give you a simple daily routine that combines them, no meal planning required. Morning, warm lemon water first thing. Then 2 scrambled eggs with a clove of crushed garlic and half an avocado on the side. That's already 4 of your 7 collagen foods before 9 a.m. Lunch, a salad loaded with sliced red bell peppers and a simple turmeric lemon dressing. Drizzle olive oil, add lemon juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. Shake it together. Done. Dinner, start with a cup of warm bone broth. You can keep a batch in the fridge all week. Then your normal meal, just with garlic worked into whatever you're cooking. This routine costs almost nothing. There are no supplements to buy. No special equipment. Just 7 real kitchen foods, eaten consistently, every single day. And here's what you can realistically expect. In 2 weeks, your skin will feel more hydrated and less tight. In 4 to 6 weeks, fine lines will appear softer and less defined. In 8 to 12 weeks, visible improvement in firmness, clarity, and that natural glow that comes from truly nourished skin. The key word is consistency. These foods work at the cellular level. They are rebuilding your skin from the inside out. Give them the time they deserve. If you found this helpful, I want you to do one thing right now. Pick one food from this list that you already have in your kitchen and commit to eating it every day this week. Just one. That's your starting point. Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and I would love to know which food you're starting with. If you want more natural, kitchen-based anti-aging solutions, subscribe to the Ageless Kitchen. We post new videos every week with simple, affordable beauty habits that actually work. And if you haven't seen our video on the aloe vera honey mask that tightens skin in 7 days, the link is right here. You do not want to miss that one. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.